Get this, more than 380 million tons of plastics are produced annually globally. This is according to the Plastic Oceans International. Out of the millions of tons produced, 50% are for single, and more than 10 million tons of that plastics end up in the oceans each year. In addressing this issue, the East African Legislative Assembly has called on member countries to regulate and ban single plastics materials. Rajab Hassan reports from Kigali, Rwanda.
Reporting from the Yala Committee on Agriculture, Tourism and Natural Resources indicates that member countries of the EAC still faces pollution caused by plastics, except for Rwanda, which has successfully controlled single-use plastic. The report confirms that single-use plastic is a life-threatening waste, causing harm to the environment and organisms.
Single-use plastics are polluting the majority of ecosystems from rainforests to the world's deepest ocean strength. When consumed by fish and livestock, plastic waste ends up in our food chain.
David Ole Sankok, representing Kenya, expressed the concern, especially regarding plastic-contaminated food.
10 million tons of plastic are dumped into the ocean. We eat this plastic through seafoods. God knows how many kgs I've eaten so far, but surely it is alarming.
According to Article 111 of the Treaty for the Establishment of EAC, the issue of conservation, protection and enhancement of the environment is recognized. Mlozi Shogo, a lawmaker from Tanzania, has warned of the danger of plastic control negligence.
But the imports of plastic manufactured products and packaging that enters into Africa is quite alarming. It is estimated that over 2.5 decades, over 230 million tons of plastic material has entered into Africa. This is very serious, right, Honorable Speaker? And if we don't do anything, we are really going to kill ourselves and our future generation.
The Parliamentary Committee has 11 proposals for the member states, among them urging the Council of Ministers to urge member countries to join the High Ambition Coalition, which is co-chaired by Rwanda and Norway, to end the plastic pollution. Rajab Hassan, KTN News, Kigali, Rwanda.
And that story by Rajab Hassan brings News Desk to a close. My name is Dennis Asada. Many thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your viewing.
KTN News. Get the whole story.